everyone, how are you? I hope you're having a fabulous day. So I have my very first box for May to open. It always comes a little bit early, so at the end of the previous month, so the end of April obviously. And this is the My Paper Box Grand Box. And when I first saw this box that I just received a few days ago, it made me so hungry. Look at this. It is like covered in pizza and other goodies. On the back, I'll cover my address, but there's like cupcakes and stuff like that. My cat is meowing. Let me go see what she needs and then I'll be right back to open this. So My Paper Box is a personalized stationery subscription, and even the box is personalized. As you can see, it says Kitty's Paper Box on it. This box is so cute. Last month was seriously like my favorite box I've received from them. Everything was awesome. I love it so much. They also offer a mini subscription, which I also received. So the mini box just is also personalized, and it contains 3 notepads. And the grand box is $28, and it contains some notepads sometimes, but it contains other things too, like personalized cards and like little journals, a lot of things. So every month's different, and I am so excited to see what I get. I do have a discount code, so I will leave all of that information down in the description box. But before I get unboxing, I just want to remind you all that I do have my 4,000 subscriber giveaway currently going on. That is open international. It ends May 8th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So if you have not yet entered, definitely check out that video. In that video, I go through all of the prizes included in the giveaway and also tell you how to enter. It is super easy. Pretty much you just have to be a subscriber of mine, like the video, and leave a comment, and I will use a random comment generator to select the winner. So yeah, definitely check that out if you have not yet already. It's a big thank you to all of you guys because I love you so, so much. But anyways, let's get unboxing. When I open the box, this is what I see. It says, sending sweet wishes to one of the sweetest persons around. How sweet is that? And then there's some tissue paper and all of the goodies are underneath. Let's see, it looks like there is a card on top. Oh, it says, Kitty, welcome to May. In honor of Pizza Party Day, this month we took our inspiration from some of our favorite snacks. Enjoy. And then on the inside, this is new. Look at this. It has all different days to celebrate in May. I love this. May 1st is Batman Day. What? May 4th is Free Comic Book Day and also Star Wars Day. May 5th is Cinco de Mayo and also my birthday. I guess May 11th is Twilight Zone Day. May 12th is Mother's Day. Remember that one. And it's May 17th. That's the Pizza Party Day. May 19th is May Ray Day, and that's supposed to encourage you to spend some time out in the sun. Never heard of that one before. May 21st is Talk Like Yoda Day. Haven't heard that one either. May 26th is World Lindy Hop Day, and May 27th is Memorial Day. I love this. I'm gonna keep this around so I remember all these days. How fun. Next up, so cute. I love this, and I will actually really use these when I send any mail. Don't look, that's my address on there. I might, okay, so I just flashed you guys something that has my address on it, so I probably took that out of the video, most likely, when I'm in editing. But these are stickers to put on your envelopes when you mail something. Wow, that was really dumb of me. I'm like, hey guys, here's my address. So yeah, that's really cute. So I could just stick it right on the envelope and make that look extra cute, and you know, it works for lazy me. Next up, how cute is this? There's like little gummy bears on it, and it says Kitty. This is a notepad. I love this. Look at the cute little guy there. Is my lighting off? I feel like whenever I put something up to the camera, it's not as bright, but anyways, oh my gosh. There is a little gummy bear pen. Can you guys see how cute this is? Oh my god, I love it. This is adorable. How cute. Oh my god, wait. Each one's its own little pencil. It's a pencil or it's a pen? Oh my god, each one is its own little one. Or you could just use them all together. But once that runs out, then you could just use the yellow. I mean, they're all regular pencil color, but you know, the pink bear. Oh my god. This is like super cool. I've never seen something like this. You can keep them all together. When you run out of lead on one, just go to the next. This is so cute. Awesome. Next, this is something we get every month. So this is like a little folding calendar, which I love. So it says Kitty's May. Oh, and it has all the dates of all the holidays on there. I always keep this on my desk. I'm not sure if you can see behind me. I do have the April one back there. So yeah, on one side it has all of the holidays on it, and the other one is more simple, so you can choose which one you like. I will probably keep the one with the holidays just because I want that reminder. So awesome. It looks like we have a few notepads, smaller ones that you could just like keep around the house, which is super cute. They all say Kitty on them. This one has little gummy bears on it. This one has pizza. This one has popcorn. And then this one has cupcakes. Yum. Or is it sundaes? Yeah, cupcakes. I could totally go for a cupcake or a sundae right now, even though I am not hungry. And then it looks like we have some cards in here. One has pizza on it. I think there's 2 cards in here. So here's the first one that has pizza on both sides, it looks like, and on the inside it says, "Happy birthday from your home slice, Kitty." That's cute. I like from your home slice. And then the next one, popcorn on both sides. And on the inside it says, "Just popping by to say happy birthday, let's get this party poppin'. Sincerely, Kitty." This is super cute, and I love that they're birthday themed, because that's like really when you send cards, right? Like, I think that is adorable. Next up, it looks like there's another card in here, and this one says, "I did one of those DNA tests and turns out I'm a princess." That's cute, and it has like this envelope in the back too. Let's see if it says anything on the inside. It says, "Which makes you the queen. Happy Mother's Day." Oh, that's good timing. I like that. Cute, yeah, because Mother's Day is, what was it, May 12th? Yeah, don't forget everyone, May 12th. Alright, and it looks like we have one more thing in here. Let's see what this is. More cards. This has a decorated envelope, actually. It says "to," so you can like write there, so send them a pizza card. And then the card says, "How can you tell you are in love?" And the inside says, "They stole a pizza, your heart." That's cute. I don't know who I would send this one to, but I just think the whole idea of it is super adorable. And look, there's a little heart in the shape of pizzas, or pizzas in the shape of a heart, I mean, duh. So, yeah, I like how we got a lot of cards this month. So, a Mother's Day card, and then there's that, like, love card, Mother's Day card, the 2 birthday cards, which is awesome. Because, seriously, you could just keep these around, and when something comes about, you can have those to send. Oh, I didn't even notice. On the back of these envelopes, it says my name and address, and one of them has the popcorn on it, and one has the pizza. So that's super awesome, too. These are so awesome. The only thing that can make it better if there's like stamps in here. I've said that before. I found out when I asked you guys last time, like, what's the best way to get stamps, because I seriously don't know how to do that. I've never really bought my own stamps before. I'm gonna order them online. You can get free shipping from USPS, I guess, if you order stamps online. So I'm gonna do that so I can start sending out these cards. But anyways, so we got the cards, and then we also received these 4 notepads that have different food on them and also say Kitty. We got this super cute pencils, like they're multiple pencils stacked on top of each other. You can take one off at a time or use them all together and just shorten it as needed. Super cute. I think this is so unique and awesome. Then we got the kitty notepad with the gummy bears on it, the larger notepad. And then we have the stickers, which I can't really show you because my address is all over them, that you can put on envelopes when you send mail. I love that we got a description of all of the holidays, and on here it says how to celebrate too. So for instance, I'll just read you May 1st since that is the closest holiday. That's like, I think I'm posting this around then. Says how to celebrate, wear a cape and go to work in your Batman costume. Or watch any of the several Batman movies out there with family and friends. Maybe you can combine it with a Batman themed costume party. Tell all your guests to come dressed as Batman comic characters. And I guess on May 4th, free comic book day, you can visit local participating comic stores and get a free copy of a comic. That's cool, especially if you have kids that are into that. I didn't know that was a thing, so take advantage of that. And obviously, I don't even have to tell you how to celebrate May 5th / my birthday. Go out, get some guacamole, and drink a freaking margarita because they're so good. Oh, damn it. Whenever I say the word guacamole, I need guacamole. I might need to get Mexican tonight. And margaritas, so good. Oh my god, this is making me like want to like have a little fiesta. And I can't forget, I put this behind me because I didn't want to forget to leave it on my desk. Our little pop-out calendar, paper calendar, what do you call these? Super cute. Isn't this just such a cute subscription? Everything is so cute, even like the freaking packaging. I keep saying freaking, don't I? Sorry. At least I'm not saying another word I normally use. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it. So I will definitely leave the link down below. And if you're interested, I will leave a link to like the mini unboxing I did most recently in April. That was really cute. If you want to check that out too, since I know it's a little bit cheaper. But I also have a discount code. I can't remember off the top of my head right now, but I will leave that down below along with my giveaway links. So definitely enter if you have not yet anyways. Already, I meant. I don't know why I said if you have not yet already. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!